Hello, beautiful ladies, and welcome back to the channel where we celebrate timeless elegance, confidence, and the radiant spirit of women over 50. Today, I want to remind you that age is not something to be hidden or apologized for. It's something to be proud of because every year, every line, every smile mark is a chapter in your amazing story. And if no one has told you today, let me be the first to say, you are still stunning, still powerful, and more vibrant than ever before, and yes, fashion and style are absolutely still for you, not just for the 20-somethings on social media, because beauty doesn't expire and style only gets better with wisdom. So whether you're stepping out in chic denim and a crisp white shirt or wrapping yourself in a soft cashmere sweater on a cool afternoon, know that confidence is the most flattering thing you can wear. And it comes from embracing exactly who you are right now, not who you used to be, not who society says you should be, but who you truly are. Bold, beautiful, and wise. So let's talk fashion for women over 50 in a way that makes sense for real life, for real bodies, and for real confidence, because trends may come and go, but true style is eternal. So whether you're rocking a classic blazer, slipping into a flattering dress that hugs in all the right places, or just putting on your favorite earrings to feel a little extra sparkle, remember that you deserve to feel amazing every single day, and that fashion is not about impressing others, it's about expressing yourself, your journey, your joy, your soul. So don't let anyone tell you you're too old for color, or heels, or that bold red lip. If it makes you smile when you see yourself in the mirror, wear it proudly. And if you're still exploring what your style is now, that's okay too, because this is a new chapter, not the end of the book, and there's so much fun to be had experimenting, discovering, and owning your unique look. So whether you're 50, 60, 70 or beyond, this channel is here to remind you that you're not invisible, you're not forgotten, and you're definitely not done. You are radiant, evolving, and worthy of every compliment, every opportunity, and every joyful moment that comes your way. So thank you for being here, for showing up for yourself, and for being part of this beautiful community of women who are proving that life after 50 is not just meaningful, it's magical. Now go out there, walk tall, dress proud, and let your light shine. Because the world needs exactly who you